So I went to the gun shop today to see if I can buy ammo or bullets. There was a law that was passed on July 1st where you need a real ID, you need all these forms of ID and paperwork to buy bullets or ammo. So I wasn't denied, but the other person with me was denied since I wasn't buying bullets myself. And they had to pay $1 for a background check even though they were denied. They have to fix it themselves. And the reason that they got denied was, the gun shop didn't know. Oh, you got denied. Oh, screw you. You have to pay $1. So, just a tip to save your time. If you have a firearm that you bought before 2014, you are going to be denied. And basically, if you have a gun that you bought after 2014, you should be in the clear. But it has to be a firearm that you bought at the time that you lived at your current address on your real ID. Not your state ID, but your real ID. Now, the gun shop told us that your driver's license will actually work. That was at first. Then later on, they told us that in order to be registered to buy ammo, you need 3 forms of ID. You need proof of residency, like a bill with your name on it. You need to have a passport or a birth certificate that says that you have residency in California. And you need a state-issued driver's license or a real ID. The simple ID won't do it anymore. That's what we were told. And I asked, well, I have a real ID. Do I have to still bring all these forms of paper? The gun shop said I do. And I'm like, why? They're like, well, because you need to have proof that you live here. And I was like, well, in order to get your real ID, you need all these forms. So if I have my real ID, that means, it's legit, right? Wrong. So I don't want to go back and forth because, gun shops don't really have opinions that they want to stand on. So I was like, all right, well, what do we have to do? Gun shop told us we have to go to Kafars. I don't know how you pronounce it. The link will be in the description. Or if I can figure out how to put it on the screen, I'll do that as well. And it's a website you go to, ran through the California government. You basically have to register all your firearms that you own. Which, if you already bought one over here, they know that you already own one, right? But they're going to be registered nowadays, not before 2014. So once you do that, it's free. I don't know exactly what you have to do because I haven't done it yet. I'm just, trying to get the information out there. So once you have that, you should be in the clear. When you go to the gun shop, make sure you have a passport, proof of residency. So that could be a bill, like rent with your name on it. If you don't own a property, you could always get your name on like the water bill or something for that month, and just if you still live at home or something like that on someone else's property, something like that. You also need a real ID. Real IDs aren't that expensive. I think everyone was issued to get their real ID before 2020, so you already need it anyways in the state of California. And that's it. You go to the gun shop. It does not have to be for the gun that you own. So basically, it's, I asked them, well, I don't own a shotgun, but if I wanted to buy shotgun shells, but I don't own the gun, can I still buy them? And they're like, oh, we don't actually know. I'm like, okay, well, would it go through though? So on the website, you gotta like, they said you have to tell them exactly why you want to buy these, in this case, shotgun shells, because you don't own the gun. So why do you need them? It's just weird. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. I'll have all the stuff linked in the description. I live in California. Everyone, sorry for the shakiness. I live in California. Nobody that I know of voted for this law. It was just passed. Nobody voted for it. Gun community or not gun community, nobody voted for it. And you know what the gun shop told us? It's easier to buy a firearm in California than it is to buy bullets. How ridiculous is that? That's kind of stupid, isn't it? Hey, it's not their problem as a new gun shop. It's not their issue at all. They had really good gun sales too. I think it's because they're suffering because nobody can buy bullets or ammo. But that's about it. And hopefully everyone that's Californian or not, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Secondly, I hope everyone does not get denied because that sucks. And I hope the process is easier. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching. And have a good day or good night. And I'm out. See ya.